I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl again, Eve, and today we are doing this dramatic eyeshadow, guys. So keep it locked as you see how I did this look, guys, and tell me whether you love it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there, yes, and also the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. So cheers, guys. So now I'll go ahead and do my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I start by combing them like so. Then you just line them like that. So I'm using my spoolie brush here, then my brush here. This is an angled brush. Then this eye pencil here in the shade 18. Then this fawn. This is the concealer in the shade fawn, Illegal. So I'll go ahead and do that very fast.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
To do the other eye off camera because I have already done this on camera. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll be back shortly for the eyeshadow, guys. Now I'm done with the eyebrows and next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this lighter shade of the concealer. This is in the shade beige, Illegal, in the shade beige, so that the eyeshadow can pop up. So I won't be using the same concealer that I used to clean my eyebrows. So I'm using a beige. I used fawn before. So I'm going to do that. So first of all, I'm going to prime my lid.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing.
Then blend that in. I'll be using this to blend.
I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not a puppet. Let me be myself. I'm not a puppet. Let me be myself.
Make sure you blend so well for the eyeshadow not to crease, guys. So always blend. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Reina Beauty. Yeah, this is called Maridadi palette. It has these beautiful shades. So I'm going to use different colors. That is this yellow, then this maroon here, and then I'll be using a darker shade at the end. So for that black shade, I'll use this Sleek.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above, let me be myself.
And now after this, I'm going to do this white liner as my cut crease. To make this white eyeliner to pop, I'm going to add the glitter eyeliner, this one here. It's in silver. After that, now I'll go ahead and add this gold glitter here.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head.
So now after the glitters, I'm going to use this Zaron eyeliner, just a little bit of it here. Then next, I'm going to do these cute eyelashes by NK Lashes. So I'm doing one eye off camera after this. Next, I'm going to use this magnetic eyeliner from Divas Cosmetics. This one here. And it's the best when it comes to fixing eyelashes. So guys, I'm done with my eye makeup. As you can see, ooh, glitter, glitter, glitter. So this look can be so good for an evening or something like a photo shoot and you want to be dramatic. Yeah, so let's proceed to the rest of the face. Okay, for the face, I used this primer. I have already used it. It's by Divas Cosmetics. This one here. It's a very good primer, but I used that before my eye makeup, so I'm not going to repeat that. And for the foundation, I'm using this foundation here. This one. This is Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut. This is what I'm going to use on my face. After blending the foundation, now I'm going to take this LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn and Beige. I'm going to mix the two shades. This is lighter than this. This is my skin color.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above, let me be myself. I'm not above, let me be myself.
going to contour, and I'll be using this beige cosmetics contour palette. I'll be using this shade here.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Next, I'm going to set my makeup, and I'm using this Wet n Wild banana powder.
Oh, where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
And to finish this look, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Cool Classic Tan.
Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not about it. Let me be myself. I'm not about it.
Next, I'm going to do a blush, and I'll be using this blush here. It's by Trendy Tap. Next, I'm going to highlight, and I'm using J-Cut highlighter.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
Of course, after all this drama on my eyes, I don't want to do something dramatic on my lips, so I'll go with the nude on my lippie. So I'll be using this nude shade here. It's called Velvet Matte by Victoria's Secret, and I'll be using this Huddah lip gloss. So first of all, I will line my lips. My final look, guys. Do you love it? Do you? If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there, yes, and also the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. So cheers, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to live.